911, where's your emergency?
Two intruders in the back of my yard.
What town's it in?
Mantua?
Mantua? Are you off Elm Avenue?
Yeah. One of them had a gun for sure.
Okay. And your phone number's, how many were there?
A firecracker with to get them to go, but they keep coming back, like looking to the fence.
Okay, hold on for the police. I'm going to transfer you. Police 911 transfer on Elm Avenue in Mantua. The number is caller reported intruders on the property and he believes one of them had a gun.
Hello?
One of them definitely had a gun. I saw him.
What's your address?
57 Elm.
57 Elm Avenue?
257.
257?
Yeah. I mean, I came out and I lit off a quarter stick to scare them away, but they came back.
Okay. How many people were there?
Two.
You're on Elm, not West Elm, right?
Not one Elm.
Okay. How many were there? You said two?
Two. That I saw, and then as I came back, there was a woman. And
You got a description of the individuals?
I'm gonna say the one guy, he looked like to me maybe in his mid-60s.
You got white males,
long,
black males, Hispanic males?
White, long, like thinning hair. The other guy was a black guy.
So one white male, one black male?
Yeah, and the other girl, I really couldn't get a look. She was behind the fence.
What were they doing?
Well, when I looked out my window, the one guy was in my shed, getting my shed door open. And then I came around to go outside to confront him, and there was a guy fucking in my truck, trying to get it open.
Okay, hang on 1 second. Or where are they at now?
It almost looked like somebody's in my truck.
Okay. Mantua, Clark County. 257 Elm Avenue. 257 Elm Avenue. 911 phone call corresponding to two subjects on his property. One male was trying to get into his shed, one male possibly in his truck now. He advised that one may have been.
I'll get ready to go in the house, dude. I don't know if these guys... I mean, I have something my grandfather passed down to me. I don't know how legal it is. In a will.
What's your name?
Charles Sharp.
Charles Sharp.
Yeah.
Phone number?
Fuck. There he goes.
Did you see the weapon?
I mean, it was silver. The moonlight came off of it, and I knew it was, I don't know what type it was, but it was a handgun.
Okay, did you see it though?
Yes, sir.
Caller said he tried to make contact with the individuals and saw the handgun.
So then I went back in the house. Like I said, my grandfather willed me a .45. I don't know what I'm allowed to do or do without that. So I threw a couple quarter sticks at him. Maybe that's not the professional thing to do, but... Hey.
Are you talking with my officers? Sir.
Yo.
Where at?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. Put the gun.
68 helmet. County shots fired. I got him. Put your arms out. Don't reach. Don't reach.
Where's our half there?
County notified Cooper. Male shot. Point a handgun.
I got him. Where's everybody else?
Yeah.
Watch, he's got a gun on him. He's got a gun on him.
Gun on him, point at us. Right there, right there. Start EMT, start EMT. Use that glove, use that glove.
Cal. Yeah, I got it. Where? Where at? Where? County shots fired. I got. Put your arms out. Don't reach! Don't reach! County notified Cooper, male shot. Point a handgun. I got. That's everybody else.
Watch, he's got a gun on him.